Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Poly channel. This video I want to share about summary for third Lightnet talk with Per Abyss at October 2021. Okay, to enjoy watch my video, make sure you turn on this video subtitle, and also you can use timestamp that I already provide to go to target topic that you want. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification to get any update and guide on Black Desert World. Okay, let's start this video content using any feature that I provide. Okay, this video is summary from third Lightnet talk with Per Abyss at October 2021. Actually, Per Abyss just streaming their plan for next month update. It's mean about this October 2021. But in this streaming, this is full Korean language and they didn't provide any translation in English. And I will share any point from this Lightnet talk with Per Abyss at October 2021. And for more easy understanding, actually I got some summary on Korean website invent.co.kr, and if I translate this website, we can get the point for this summary Lightnet talk with Per Abyss at October 2021. Okay, first they mention any patch that they already updated on our live server, like any quality of life, such as convert Blackstone weapon or armor to become file stack, reduce Netherbolt cooldown time for file stack more than 100, add search function for item on another character in your family, skill preset cooldown reduction, add release function on central market, automatic sprint function to sell any item directly from your storage, add search function on your character inventory, add function to change guild base. Actually, this content just apply on Korea server only, and improve to identify enemy on red battlefield on your minimap. And also for costume, they already done some inspiration like Margoria outfit, Assassin Dome Tour, Lava Bray outfit, Checkmate outfit, and another outfit. And for seasonal content, especially for season plus, they already reduced to Vala enhancement rate to become more easy, and also open feedback bulletin board, especially for Korea server. And also another improvement for potion, such as reduce potion weight, add submaterial for infinite potion, either HP and MP potion, and also add low tier infinite HP potion. And for character customization improvement, they already improved Dark Knight skin, and also color for hairstyle. And then for camouflage improvement, they already make change for camouflage effect to add name to become unknown adventure. And for life skill, they just add cooking and alchemy repair tool. And last for dimension, especially this content just apply on Korea server, they just decrease difficulty to get any material to craft dimension furniture. And also they already reduce potion cooldown, and they also already implement loot scroll buff to become turn on and turn off, reduce server cooldown from 15 minutes to become 10 minutes, and also improving 10 key control so you can access your 10 more easy than before, and also replace Elvia Realm weapon to become Elvia Realm buff, revamping any grinding zone like Valencia, Drikhan, and Kama Sylvia grinding zone, especially for its experience, and also for media and Valencia loot item, especially for equipment item, they already improve it to become box, and adjusting some unpopular grinding zone on Elvia Realm server, and make some change for monster placement. And next for user interface, they already improve friend chat, differentiate red battlefield minimap to identify between ally and enemy, and also add skill filter on your skill menu based on skill status, and also add function to turn off hide menu when you got hit. And for Node and Conquest War, they already enhance reward, especially for Conquest War, and also another feature like AMD FSR function, additional free pet from main quest, especially for Serendia region, add Growth Pass function menu, and guarantee 100% pen boss gear. Actually for this Growth Pass menu and 100 pen boss gear, they already implement it on Korea server, and we outside Korea server will get it on next maintenance update at 13 October 2021. Okay, that's all apply patch that we already get currently, especially on Korea server, and some of them we will get it really soon outside Korea server. Okay, next summary about inside this net talk with Per Abyss. They also mention about guarantee pen boss gear enhancement. Actually, they just mention this guarantee pen boss gear enhancement. They will put this content to Growth Pass and make this Growth Pass to become more natural. But they also mention about Psy class, because Psy talent weapon like Artina Soul, this Psy weapon cannot involve for this guarantee 100% pen boss gear. So Per Abyss still plan to get another content for Psy talent weapon, and more detail about full guide 100% guarantee pen boss gear enhancement that we will get it next maintenance update at 13 October 2021, you can check on my previous video. In this video, I explain detailed information how to exchange and enhance all the 7 type special boss gear to become pen using new enhancement method that will give you 100% guarantee pen. But be noticed, this is not free content. Of course, this content have costs that you need to spend and also some process that you need to do. But once again, this is still 100% guarantee pen. So by using this method, you will get pen boss gear without involving RNG. And about Growth Pass, I already published Growth Pass preview on my previous video. You can check it for more detail to get all reward. Actually, this is post-graduation content that you can complete and get the reward from this Growth Pass, either for new player or veteran player. But be noticed, this is only once per family. Okay, next about any feedback that they already review. For Ocean content, life skill improvement, Altar of Blood and Savage Rift, they plan to implement this improvement after all class reward. But for put any treasure item like Infinite Potion on your family bag and also damage number when you hit monster or player, they still have no plan to implement it in game. But actually for this damage number, we can unlock it on Global Lab server. Actually this is for test purpose. Okay, next about feedback that under review, especially for Ataraxion Dungeon, they just review feedback to just last boss strength on Ataraxion Dungeon depend on number party that insert the key. So maybe in future you can finish Ataraxion Dungeon not must have 5 member party to enter and encounter the last boss, but this is will depend on number player who insert the key to go to inside the last boss. And also for Alliance update, for this Precision 3, they still need time to develop it before implement it on our live server. And the same thing for guild drilling content and also for life skills, especially for Imperial crafting delivery, they still under review feedback to remove server cooldown. And the last feedback that's still under review about OTP or one-time password to login on Black Desert World, they still plan to improve this OTP function to reduce real money trading behavior between player, but they still keep looking to find the way to improve this OTP function. Okay, next about any feedback that in progress and all this content on this section, they will implement it soon, like character customization appearance, especially new face and hairstyle for Ranger and Wizard, as you can see on this screen. And also they will improve attendance reward user interface, as you can see on your screen. So when you claim this attendance reward, this is more interactive than before. And also improvement about campsite, they will implement patches to make you can build your tent on every area, even in different elevation terrain, so you can more easy to deploy your tent on any area. And also they plan to add RGB method for dyeing costume, as you can see for example on your screen. This is sample demo when you try to dyeing your costume or your gear using this RGB method, so you didn't need any specific dye to customize your appearance for your costume or your gear. And next about character reboot, as they mentioned previously on Global Lab update at October 2021, until end of October 2021, they will rush to announce our 17 class rework that they already planned it before. And after end of October 2021, they will start to balancing all this class rework before implement it on our live server that expected will implement at end of 2021 on our live server. And as you can see on your screen, this is scheduled for class rework that they will announce on Global Lab server, as they already released before at October 2021 for Tamer class. And next week we will got detailed info for class rework, especially for Valkyrie and Dark Knight. And if you curious about Valkyrie rework, I already share Valkyrie rework preview gameplay on my previous video, and also for Dark Knight rework preview gameplay, you can check these 2 video link on this video description for more detail. And then next week after that, at 22 October 2021, they will announce class rework for Witch, Wizard, Musa, and Mahwa. So on 22 October 2021, they plan to announce for class at the same time. And the last at 29 October 2021, they already scheduled to announce class rework, especially for Kunoichi, Ninja, Mystic, Lan, and Berserker. So if you curious about what time your favorite class got announced for this class rework, you already have the schedule right now. And next about feedback from bulletin board that they already released, especially on Korea server, they mention already read more than 1000 posts that uploaded in this month. And the highlighted suggestion about per costume price efficiency, I think this is refer about Crownstone or advice of work when you burning costume compare with this per costume cost, but not have detailed info about this feedback. And also they mention about life skill content that have less popular after they improving grinding content, especially when enhancing Capra's drop rate and enhancing some grinding zone like Media, Valencia, Kama Sylvia, and Drikhan Territory grinding zone. They will review this feedback and I think they will buff this life skill content again. And next about patch note, they mention will add more visual visual on our patch note. So in future, if you read on official website, especially for update details, this is will more easy to understand, especially for new player. And next improvement about Node War and Seeds War, they will update some user interface for this guild menu, especially for guild recruitment and guild skill window. So you can get more information from this skill window only. You don't need to open another window when try to use this guild skill. And also in future, they will add symbol if you in party or platoon, so you can more easy to coordinate with your party or platoon member, and also adjust color for this marking to more easy to coordinate with your team member. And also this mark you can place it on any location, so you can coordinate with your team party more easy. Actually this is very necessary after they release Atoroxion dungeon. So by marking any specific location, we can more easy identify where's our location and how to do on that location. And also they plan to add some coordination on large map, so this is more easy to plan strategical strategy, especially when you doing Node War or Seeds War. And next about Seeds War change, actually on my previous video I already mentioned about guild outfit at this video on roadmap update and 2021, that they will automatically give player this outfit with special color that randomly assigned depend on how many guild that participate on Seeds War. And also they will add some destruction effect for your command post and any building on Seeds War, so you can more easy to identify status for each building. And also update that they already delay before to be able any guild who already conquer territory to participate on Node War on another region. And also they will implement ballista improvement siege weapon guild tank near future. Actually about this guild tank, they already mentioned it on Global Lab update at 11 March 2021, and for more detail about this guild tank, you can check it for more detail. And the last for this session Late Night Talk with Per-Abyss, they also mentioned about new content roadmap that they will release this roadmap after this class rework complete. And I think about this new content roadmap, they will share it on next event Calpion Ball at December 2021. So just wait for this new content roadmap update. Okay, I think that's all for this summary Late Night Talk with Per-Abyss at October 2021. And at the end of this streaming, they just show us some footage for new Sai skill. Actually, we still didn't know its name, but I named it Florang Skateboard. And I'm sure this is not Sai rework, they just add new skill for this Sai class, because Sai didn't include on this class rework. As you can see, this is partial of this footage from this video, that Sai can use her Florang to become skateboard and move more faster to any direction. But be noticed, if you play Black Desert Mobile, actually Sai already get this Florang Skateboard, and I think they will implement it really soon in future. So just stay tuned for future update for this Sai new skill. And special thanks to all my membership for direct support via Patreon, Karya Karsa, and YouTube membership. And also my current member, Zekru, Dubiadut, Jimmy Snake, Doki, Transester, Aganim Scepter, Renegades X, Licky Cleaners, Aegis to Guild from NA server, Gospel, Homie, Ayrton, Suna, Tepan Gaming, Killsteel, King Denmark, Wemi, Clouty, Puff, Davin Jeonchung, Edward Mabolim as gold member, and also all my silver and bronze member. Thank you so much for all your direct support. This will make Chris Poly channel running and growing more faster. If you want to support me directly, I will very grateful. And as special thanks, I will put your name on my video, depend on your support level. And be noticed, for some level there are have some limit, so make sure you didn't get run out for this limited space. And I will put your name on every subsequent video that I release for the duration of your support. And if you want to join my membership to support me directly, you can go to any platform for Patreon, Karya Karsa, and YouTube membership. I already put link for this membership on this video description, or you can check on top right of this video. I already put card for Patreon link. Okay guys, that's all any info from this Late Night Talk with Per-Abyss at 8 October 2021. Hope all this info can be useful for you. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel for another guide and update. Thank you for watching. See you next time.